Mark, you're not an easy guy to track down, but we've got hold of you at Southern Manufacturing. But could you tell us about the journey of Vero Software in 2017?
Well, 2017 was actually a very successful year for Vero in all regions. All regions grew, we had double-digit growth, and we made one strategic acquisition out of Germany in 2017, which was FASIS. Vero have high hopes to be more than just a CAD/CAM provider. We want to be a solutions provider. So we're actively looking for technology that's outside of our normal remit. FASIS is a full shop floor environment management system. It manages everything from tooling through CNC code revisions, through all of your stock, and indeed DNC and machine tool monitoring.
So a very successful 2017, but 2018, I'm sure MAC's going to play a big part in your plans, but what can engineers expect to see at MAC 2018?
Well, you're quite right, MAC is a very important activity for us in 2018, and it will be a grander scale than this, so we will be together in Hall 18 with Hexagon, and we will be showing 2018 R2 releases of our software. We're working with lots of our machinery partners, so with Mazak or Matsura or indeed Romi, and we will be showing some technology that integrates with some of the Hexagon technology. So for example, we'll be showing the Roma arms and Visi for reverse engineering, and we will be releasing Vero Inspect, which is on-machine CNC probing, and that will also be on display with the Romi machine on their booth.
What I like about Vero is that you're not just showing the products that you've got on your stand, but you're on machines, there's cutting happening, engineers can actually see and feel it to a certain extent.
Well, we're an integral part of the manufacturing process, so it's important to show everything we have. We have a wide portfolio of technology, and we're here to show what we have.
Mark, thanks very much for your time.
You're welcome, Mark. Thank you.